Acupuncture Point Spotlight, Spleen 9 and Liver 5 Points. Welcome back to Acupuncture with Dr. Abid's page. Today, we are exploring two powerful points that work closely with the body's ability to move qi and clear dampness. Liver 5, also known as Legu, and Spleen 9, known as Yinling Quan. Let's begin with Liver 5. Legu, meaning wood insect valley. It's located on the inner side of the lower leg, about 5 cm above the tip of the medial malleolus, that's the inner ankle bone following the path of the liver meridian. Now, what does Liver 5 actually do? It's known for its ability to soothe the liver and regulate the flow of qi, especially in the lower abdomen and genital region. It also clears damp heat from the lower part of the body, something that often manifests as genital discomfort, urinary issues, or that heavy, sluggish feeling in the lower limbs. Clinically, it's used for conditions such as genital itching or pain, damp heat accumulation, and even emotional disturbances like depression and mood swings, since the liver governs the smooth flow of both qi and emotions. Next, we move up slightly to Spleen 9 Yinling Quan, or Yin Mountain Spring. You'll find this point on the inner side of the lower leg, nestled in the depression just behind the medial condyle of the tibia, right near the inside of the knee. Spleen 9 is one of the most important points for draining dampness from the body, particularly from the lower limbs. It helps regulate the spleen's transformation and transportation functions, which are central to fluid metabolism in traditional Chinese medicine. When this point is activated, it can relieve swelling and pain in the knees, reduce edema, ease digestive issues such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea caused by internal dampness. In simple terms, you can think of Liver 5 as helping to move and clear heat and stagnation, while Spleen 9 helps to drain and transform dampness. Together, they create balance between movement and elimination, helping the body return to a state of clear flow and stability. So the next time you are addressing lower body issues from emotional stagnation to swelling and heaviness, remember these two allies, Liver 5 and Spleen 9. This has been Acupuncture with Dr. Abid's educational page. Stay tuned for more insights on how acupuncture harmonizes the body, mind, and qi.